All-Star Oregon.
What's called Oregon?
Isn't that, what is this?
Somebody gonna get rid of that.
Recording and I walked straight into that thing.
That's all you. There you go.
We will go through it together.
Bro, you seen I had the longest in the square.
Okay, since you guys all put them up, I'm going to pass out a blank. I'm going to pass out one of the blank diagrams that you've been doing for exercise books. Okay, so we can fill it in together, so we can study also from this. These are all right? These are not all right. We'll go through them.
Just said to go through.
Is there any extras? These are the correct answers. Okay, I don't want you to put pencils down for a little bit, please. Pencils down, you'll have time to copy this. So just like the family, we start with the parallelogram. Whatever properties the parallelogram has, the rectangle, rhombus, and square will have. So let's see. We have, just before here, we have the parallelogram, we have the rectangle, we have the rhombus and the square. So this is opposite sides are parallel. What did I go over before we started about the trapezoid and its parallel lines?
You said that
Only one set is, okay? Only one set of parallel lines. The top base and the bottom base are parallel.
Oh, because technically, the two sides would intersect that.
There you go. So don't get that confused. It's very similar, but when we say opposite sides of parallel, we mean all the opposite sides. The next one is opposite sides are congruent. And can you put your pencils down and just listen? Okay. You have time, like I said, to copy this down. Opposite sides are congruent. We have the square, rhombus, and rectangle. If we have the square, rhombus, and rectangle, what must go underneath there also? Parallelogram, because it's the grandparent of all those, or the parent. So let's look for a parallelogram that diagonals are congruent. The parallelogram diagonals are not congruent on a parallelogram.
Is there easy way to remember these?
An easy way to remember this?
This is a lot of properties.
It is, but where are we at? Remember that if you remember all the properties for a parallelogram, you know most of the properties for rectangle, rhombus, and square. The additional ones for a rectangle are all angles are congruent. We know all the angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. The other ones that are diagonals are congruent. So opposites angles are congruent. All four of them. Very good. Consecutive angles are supplements. What does supplements mean? 180. Add up to 180. We have rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus. And we need a square. The reason why a right trapezoid does not go underneath the consecutive angles are supplements. These two consecutive angles will add up to 180. And these two will. But these two consecutive angles don't add up to 180. So this is not true for all consecutive angles. That's why I wanted to go underneath it. All angles are congruent. Very good. They all equal 90 degrees in a square and rectangle. All sides are congruent. Square and rhombus. Diagonals bisect each other. Again, very good. Rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, square. The diagonals are congruent. Rectangle, square. What else is there? What else is on the diagram? That's like diagonals are congruent. Another rhombus. Isosceles trapezoid. We have two over here. We should. That's okay.
Basic.
So the diagonals are congruent. Next one, diagonals are perpendicular. Very good again. Square and rhombus. Diagonals bisect opposite angles. Rhombus and square. Exactly one set of sides are parallel. So that's true for a trapezoid, also true for a right trapezoid. The base angles are congruent, isosceles trapezoid. When we talk about bases and legs, we refer to the trapezoid. All the other, like the rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, and square, those are just sides. We have the bases, the set that's parallel, and the legs are the other two. And one leg is perpendicular to bases. What does perpendicular mean? What kind of angle is it on? 90 degrees. So 90 degrees right here and 90 degrees up here.
So, you know how like, square can fit under a lot of categories? And they say one of these perpendicular to this is considered, would that say that sometimes I can't square go under the category also?
Since it says one leg, then no. Second question. You guys did really good for your first time. I'm impressed.